fly or at what height?
Yeah, that is a great question. Let me actually show you through some new updates to our software. So if I were to open up our drone control application, we're going to zoom into our Denmark drone park. That's our default location. If you're not actively connected to your drone, we just put the drone there on the map. But the drone's position updates to where it is actually. If it's connected, you can see our computer location. And then these are restricted airspaces. So the FAA around most controlled airports will set the max altitude that you can fly within each of these grids. And now you can get approval to fly in those areas. You just need, through an online platform, say this is where I'm going to be flying, how long I'm going to be flying, what I'm going to be doing, and they'll typically, within 72 hours, give you approval, unless it's in one of these red areas, and sometimes they'll actually ask you to submit, many weeks or sometimes even 90 days or more in advance. But that has already changed quite a bit from even when I started back late 2016, early 2017. For flying in any of these restricted airspaces, you would have to apply for really months in advance. They would say weeks, but at the time where they would have every waiver be reviewed manually, it was definitely backed up more than 90 days. So for our first couple years, I went and applied for waivers for all of our restricted airspaces in Georgia, throughout a few of the neighboring states as well, and made it so not just myself, but any of the drone pilots working with our company as part of our network, almost like an Uber network of drivers, would be able to fly in those restricted airspaces as well. But now that's really no longer needed, since you can more or less get instant approval for all of these restricted airspaces.
There are also limitations, those sorts of things.
Yeah, actually, the FAA's made it easier to legally fly at night as well. Before, you needed a special waiver to fly at night, and you needed a strobe light, and you needed to submit a plan of how you were going to safely operate at night. And the strobe light or whatever stopped working.
I agree.
And so basically now you don't even need a waiver to fly at night. You just need a strobe light to fly at night. So it's becoming more and more accessible for people owning these drones, still not quite as much as I.
Give it in, guys.